To install a zipline, you need an open area between two healthy, solid trees that are at least 18 inches in diameter. The area must have at least 7 feet of clearance on either side and be free from anything that could hurt your child if they fall off the zipline. You don't want them to come crashing down onto decorative landscaping rocks if they fall off. You don't need a slope to have a zipline in your backyard. Instead, ensure one end of the zipline is higher than the other. The difference in height will depend on the length of your zipline. The entire zipline should have a 3% gradient. Number 3. American Ninja Warrior 50-foot zipline. An official product endorsed by the American Ninja Warrior show, this 50-foot zipline is on the shorter side. This is not a problem for younger or beginner zipliners, but if you have a child who enjoys American Ninja Warrior and is already throwing themselves into this type of activity, and you have the space to erect it, look for a longer zipline. The zipline takes about 30 minutes to put up if there are 2 adults working on it. However, it is important to read through all of the directions before you begin. Number 2. Jagodar 160-foot zipline kit. This zipline from Jagodar has everything you need for a comprehensive installation. It includes a tensioning wrench and a cable tensioning kit. It even includes soft tubing that goes onto the cable anchor points to protect your trees. There is a 160-foot main cable, as well as a generous 6.5-foot sling cable to go around your upper anchor tree. The kit also includes a spring brake and all the hardware you might need to erect your zipline. Number 1. Slackers 70-foot Hawk Series zipline. Simple and straightforward to install, the 70-foot Hawk Series zipline from Slackers takes approximately 30 minutes to put up. As long as you have 2 people to take on the job, you will need a pair of pliers and a wrench. The plastic seat is comfortable and easy to climb on and off. The height of the seat is easy to adjust. There is a spring on the cable that slows the rider down as they get to the end. This means you don't have to worry about your child coming to a sudden hard stop.